Hi everyone, this is Emma from the Courier Journals. Just a super quick video from me today. Unless you've been living under a rock, you'll know that we've recently released a new business toolkit 001. And if you listen to the podcast, you'll know that we bang on 24/7 about numbers and knowing your numbers as a courier driver, which was the main reason that we come out to release this. So essentially, the whole idea is know your cost, protect your margin, and be able to quote with confidence. If you're doing courier work, it's very easy to look at what you've been paid for a job and think that's what you've earned. But obviously, it isn't. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Toolkit 001 from the Courier Journals to break down a job and work out what you've actually made. So the idea behind Toolkit 001 is pretty simple. You enter the details of the job, your mileage and your vehicle costs, and the toolkit does the calculations for you. It'll give you a much better picture of the actual profitability of the job rather than just looking at the rate you've been paid. So there's 4 sections to the toolkit. There is obviously the home page, which is this page, and then there's the quote builder, which is here and here, the rate settings, which is here, and the how to use guide. It's built for the real world of courier work. The pricing should recover time, mileage, waiting, vehicle cost and overhead, not just fuel, which is what so many couriers think, is that they just factor fuel into a job. And actually, if you're running an efficient business, there's so much more than just fuel. So let's flick to the how to use guide. It's a simple workflow for consistent courier pricing. We've got 5 sections or 5 things that we need to do. We're going to set our rates, enter in realistic fuel, miles per gallon, vehicle, labour and overhead assumptions. Then we're going to enter the details of the job. That's going to come in here. Our rate settings are here. So we're entering the job details. We're going to add the route details, the mileage, the estimated time, vehicle and number of drivers. Within the quote builder, there's also an option for extras, so tolls, ferries, parking, clean air charges, overnight and subcontractor costs. Within that, it's also going to give you a recommended quote. It's going to give you a total cost, gross profit and margin. Now, it's up to you upon that to use your judgment. It's a recommended quote. You might decide to adjust that where appropriate for urgency, access, regular work, backloads or unusual risk. So if we go into the rate settings page, most of the things that we change in this section here, which is our rate, will impact this section here, which is the formulas. Okay, these are your business assumptions. You've got to review these whenever your costs change. And equally, your costs are going to change if you're quoting for a HGV vehicle or if you're quoting for a van. So you've always got to make sure that you're keeping these up to date. So your fuel price, if you're with a fuel card provider, happy days. This might even drop down to something such as, oh my goodness, I hope it don't drop down to that. It might drop down to £1.37 per litre. All right. You're going to put in your vehicle mile per gallon. It might be that you have a decent vehicle. Your vehicle running costs. I've just put in a rough figure there at 22 miles per hour. Driver labour cost, I've put that I want to earn £20 per hour as a driver. Business overhead allocation, I've put £6 per job. This includes office, software, insurance, phones and admin. I'm factoring all these things that we never consider into each job I quote for. All right. Waiting cost. I charge £25 per hour on this particular one. We're going to act like the scenario is that we're quoting for a long wheelbase van. All right, so I will knock this down. Oh, hang on. Yes, I do. No, I don't. So I'm going to act like I am doing a long wheelbase van. And as you can see, when I've updated that here, this here has updated. So again, if I put this up and I go up to £1.41, it's updated it again. So it's given a fuel cost per mile, baseline mileage cost, fuel litres per 100 miles. I'm targeting myself to 30%. You might decide if it's a regular run, for example, that you're happy with 25%. That's entirely up to you. What you want your gross margin to be, is entirely up to you. You might need it higher. You might need it much higher because actually you're going to give it out to a subcontractor. So you might need it a bit higher. Your VAT rate is there as well if you're VAT registered. Your quote rounding, again, recommended quotes are rounded upwards to the nearest £5. So for example, if I've quoted 255, it's going to come out at 260. Okay. My quote builder is built on the back of my rate settings. So let's say, for example, we're going to go in a long wheelbase van. We're going to go 60 miles. The job itself is going to take an hour and a half. Waiting times at 30 minutes, happy days. Drivers 1. And then these are my breakdowns based on the information that I've put in my rate settings. Okay, break-even price is £61.22. Profit per job, £19.19. Status on target. So my actual profit is £28.78. My margin's 32%. My VAT's 18%. And my total price, including my recommended quote, is £108. Now, before people start getting angry about this, let's remember that as the driver, I've also been paid £30 for this 1.5 hour job. So don't forget that. You've got to factor that in as well. So you've got that plus your gross profit. Everything else is external and what we're considering, I guess, as an expense. So fuel, vehicle running costs and business overheads. As I say, here's your extras. So any extras that you may have, you can put in here and it will factor in. So for example, let's say that we had the congestion charge. There you go. It's factored it in again. Your gross profits changed, your margins changed. So these are all things that you can add and the sheet will calculate it for you. It's available to buy online. If it comes up in US dollars, don't panic. You are only being charged Great British pounds. So it is available, guys. Really useful tool. As I say, judgment's required. You might decide that you do want to make a smaller margin. If I decided, for example, now, just as an example, I'm going to take this down to 25%. It's took you down in terms of price. You can see it there because if I press undo, we're back at 30 and we're back at 115. Hope this is of use to you. Thank you ever so much. As I say, it is available now on Gumroad. Please do give it a look at. And it is available at a launch price until the end of August at £9.99. Thanks ever so much again for tuning in. And hopefully I'll see you on the next episode.